Now let us discuss 103. The calculated spin-only magnetic moment of Cr2 positive ion is. We know that for calculating the spin-only magnetic moment, you have the formula mu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Here n is equal to the number of unpaired electrons. Now let us try to calculate the number of unpaired electrons in chromium 2 positive ion. Chromium, you know that chromium's atomic number is 24. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s1 3d5. By loss of 2 electrons, its configuration becomes argon 4s0 3d4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. D orbital. Here I am having 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the number of unpaired electrons is 4. That means n equal to 4. Now substitute the value of n in above formula. You will get mu is equal to root over 4 into 4 plus 2. This gives rise to root over 4 into 6. Root over 24. Root over 24 is equal to 4.90 Bohr magneton. So our correct answer is 2 is our correct answer.